Liquid trading does not provide financial advice, we provide information for your consideration. Today's number one top gainer is Yankuang Energy Group Company Limited, symbol YZCAY. The stock went up by $4.19 or 22.90% to $22.49. Target low price is $5.16, with a target high price of $5.16. Yankuang Energy Group Company Limited has higher total revenue than total debt by $49.7 billion. Today's number two top gainer is iLab Limited, symbol ZLAB. The stock went up by $11.36 or 20.69% to $66.26. Target low price is $134, with a target high price of $231. Zai Lab Limited has higher total revenue than total debt by $98.27 million. We found a few news articles related to ZLAB. Globe Newswire published a story titled China's National Medical Products Administration approves Nazira, a metacycline, for the treatment of bacterial pneumonia and skin infections. Benzinga published a story titled Zai Lab's Nazira approved in China for bacterial infections. Globe Newswire published a story titled China NMPA approves Nazira as a Category 1 innovative drug for the treatment of patients with community-acquired bacterial pneumonia, CABP, and acute bacterial skin and skin structure infections, ABSI. Motley Fool published a story titled Why Shares of Beijing and Zai Lab Are Tanking Today. Investing.com published a story titled Zai Lab Down but JP Morgan Says Weakness Overdone. Today's number 3 top gainer is Zai Biologics, Cayman, Incorporated, symbol WXXWY. The stock went up by $3.62 or 18.26% to $23.45. Zai Biologics, Cayman, Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $3.48 billion. We found a few news articles related to WXXWY. Bloomberg published a story titled US to blacklist DJI and 7 other China firms, FT reports. Today's number 4 top gainer is Valneva SE, symbol VALN. The stock went up by $7.97 or 15.63% to $58.95. Target low price is $63.53, with a target high price of $69.48. Valneva SE has higher total debt than total revenue by $1.57 million. We found a few news articles related to VALN. MarketWatch published a story titled Valneva's stock is up 14% after the company shares promising data for its COVID-19 booster candidate. Benzinga published a story titled Valneva's COVID-19 vaccine booster works as a follow-up to its own shot. Reuters published a story titled Valneva says its booster works as a follow-up to its own COVID-19 shot. Investing.com published a story titled Valneva soars on claim its COVID booster is effective. Globe Newswire published a story titled Valneva announces positive homologous booster data for inactivated, adjuvanted COVID-19 vaccine candidate VLA 2001. Today's number 5 top gainer is Smur International Holdings Limited, symbol SMORF. The stock went up by $0.65 or 14.19% to $5.25. Smur International Holdings Limited has higher total revenue than total debt by $12.74 billion. We found a few news articles related to SMORF. Globe Newswire published a story titled Vaporesso leaves a mark at 2021 HE Shenzhen e-Cig Expo, highlighting Target 200 and 100 kits. Today's number 1 top loser is Électricité de France SA, symbol ECIFY. The stock went down by $0.4100 or 15.47% to $2.2400. Électricité de France SA has higher total revenue than total debt by $12.44 billion. We found a few news articles related to ECIFY. Moody's published a story titled Électricité de France. Moody's announces completion of a periodic review of ratings of Électricité de France. Moody's published a story titled Edison SPA. Moody's announces completion of a periodic review of ratings of Edison SPA. Globe Newswire published a story titled EDF, Reactors of the Civox and Choose Nuclear Power Plants, Replacements and Preventive Checks on Parts of the Piping of a Safety System. Today's number 2 top loser is Ambarella Incorporated, symbol AMBA. The stock went down by $29.84 or 14.24% to $179.73. Target low price is $119, with a target high price of $260. Ambarella Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $291.22 million. We found a few news articles related to AMBA. Zacks published a story titled Ambarella, AMBA, Autobrains tie-up to develop auto solutions. Motley Fool published a story titled Love Rivian Automotive. This hot tech stock could be just for you. Globe Newswire published a story titled Ambarella and Autobrains collaborate on scalable range of AI solutions from front office to higher levels of autonomy for the automotive mass market. Today's number 3 top loser is Sprout Social Incorporated, symbol SPT. The stock went down by $13.36 or 14.02% to $81.93. Target low price is $146, with a target high price of $165. Sprout Social Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $147.67 million. Today's number 4 top loser is PT Sarana Manara Nusantara TBK. Symbol SMNUF. The stock went down by $0.0109 or 13.13% to $0.0721. Today's number 5 top loser is Twist Bioscience Corporation, symbol TWST. The stock went down by $11.82 or 13.22% to $77.59. Target low price is $98, with a target high price of $130. Twist Bioscience Corporation has higher total revenue than total debt by $69.41 million. We found a few news articles related to TWST. GuruFocus.com published a story titled VIP Healthcare Portfolio Buys Thermo Fisher Scientific Incorporated, Royalty Pharma plc, Charles River. Globe Newswire published a story titled Sosei Heptares enters antibody discovery agreement with Twist Bioscience to discover and develop novel therapeutic antibodies against GPCR targets. Business Wire published a story titled Sosei Heptares enters antibody discovery agreement with Twist Bioscience to discover and develop novel therapeutic antibodies against GPCR targets. Business Wire published a story titled Twist Bioscience now shipping synthetic RNA positive controls for Omicron, B.1.1.529/BA.1, SARS-CoV-2 variant for development of accurate diagnostic tests. Today's number 1 top undervalued growth stock is Bank of America Corporation, symbol BAC. The stock is up by $1.16 or 2.63% to $45.10. Target low price is $35, with a target high price of $64. Bank of America Corporation has higher total debt than total revenue by $474.06 billion. We found a few news articles related to BAC. American City Business Journals published a story titled These Companies' Values Soared Since the Start of COVID-19. PR Newswire published a story titled Bank of America Names Rita Solikuk President of Chicago. Zacks published a story titled 3 Bank Stocks to Buy as Fed Sees 3 Rate Hikes in 2022. Morningstar Research published a story titled Analyst Report, Bank of America Corporation. Today's number 2 top undervalued growth stock is Pfizer Incorporated, symbol PFE. The stock is up by $2.53 or 4.29% to $61.33. Pfizer Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $29.46 billion. We found a few news articles related to PFE. MarketWatch published a story titled CDC Advisors Recommend Pfizer, Moderna COVID-19 Vaccines over J&J Shot because of rare side effect. Bloomberg published a story titled Pfizer will dominate $20 billion COVID pill market in 2022, analysis shows. Reuters published a story titled Update 1 Britain banking on COVID antivirals to get through Omicron winter. MarketWatch published a story titled New COVID-19 booster candidates are still being developed as Omicron spreads. Reuters published a story titled Update 1 8 Heart inflammation cases among young kids who got COVID-19 shot, US CDC. Today's number 3 top undervalued growth stock is Ata Unibanku Holding SA, symbol ATUB. The stock is up by $0.0700 or 1.87% to $3.8200. Target low price is $5, with a target high price of $7.2. Ata Unibanku Holding SA has higher total debt than total revenue by $532.1 billion. Today's number 4 top undervalued growth stock is Citigroup Incorporated, symbol C. The stock is up by $0.88 or 1.46% to $61.12. Target low price is $66, with a target high price of $124. Citigroup Incorporated has higher total debt than total revenue by $487.6 billion. We found a few news articles related to C. Business Wire published a story titled Citi signs sale agreement with Insignio. Reuters published a story titled Wall Street Institutions Retreat from Office, Holiday Parties as Virus Spreads. Business Wire published a story titled City to Hire More Than 100 Employees for Internal Audit Function in the United States. PR Newswire published a story titled Chesapeake Utilities Corporation Expands Its Footprint into the Carolinas with Propane Acquisition. Morningstar Research published a story titled Analyst Report, Citigroup Incorporated. Today's number 5 top undervalued growth stock is Vail SA, symbol Vail. The stock is up by $0.53 or 3.93% to $14.16. Target low price is $10, with a target high price of $26. Vail SA has higher total revenue than total debt by $201.1 billion. We found a few news articles related to VALE. Insider Monkey published a story titled 10 Dividend Stocks with Over 11% Yield. Let's talk about cryptocurrency for a moment. The first cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, symbol BTC. Bitcoin has a market cap of $908.926 billion and a circulating supply of 18.9 million. Bitcoin is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. The second cryptocurrency is Ethereum, symbol ETH. Ethereum has a market cap of $479.012 billion and a circulating supply of 118.77 million. Ethereum is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. Ethereum is over the average volume. We found a few news articles related to Ethereum. Engadget published a story titled Spotify's latest acquisition helps turn radio shows into podcasts. CNW Group published a story titled Vita Living completes acquisition of 498 units in Nova Scotia. Globe Newswire published a story titled Power Solutions International announces additional $50 million shareholder loan agreement with Weichai America. Business Wire published a story titled IVP 2021 in Review, Breakout Performance with 15 IPOs and $1.8 billion fund to serve hypergrowth companies. Business Wire published a story titled Peru wins 3 awards at the World Travel Awards 2021. The third cryptocurrency is Binance Coin, symbol BNB. Binance Coin has a market cap of $89.074 billion and a circulating supply of 166.8 million. Binance Coin is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. We found a few news articles related to Binance Coin. Business Wire published a story titled KB Home to release 2021 fourth quarter and full year earnings on January 12, 2022. Business Wire published a story titled Rivian releases Q3 2021 earnings. Business Wire published a story titled 5-Star Senior Living Partners with Dispatch Health to offer unique in-home acute care services to independent living and assisted living residents. The fourth cryptocurrency is Tether, symbol USDT. Tether has a market cap of $76.704 billion and a circulating supply of 76.69 billion. Tether is under the 250-day moving averages. We found a few news articles related to Tether. Investors Business Daily published a story titled Dow Jones dips as Fed rally falters, Adobe stock plummets on this, Tesla stalls as Ford gains. MarketWatch published a story titled Democratic lawmakers look at separate fix so monthly child tax credit payments would keep coming. Business Wire published a story titled United States Steel Corporation provides fourth quarter 2021 guidance and business updates. Reuters published a story titled Kellogg reaches another tentative deal with Union President. PR Newswire published a story titled Global Cord Blood Corporation announces rejection of alternate ocean proposal. The fifth cryptocurrency is Solana, symbol SOL1. The crypto is up by $4.30 or 2.40% to $183.36. Solana has a market cap of $56.435 billion and a circulating supply of 307.79 million. Solana is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. We found a few news articles related to Solana. Business Wire published a story titled UDR declares quarterly dividend. Globe Newswire published a story titled WashRite achieves BREEAM certifications and completes green bond allocation. Business Wire published a story titled DevOps leader JFrog appoints Citrix CIO Mira Rajavel to its board of directors. Liquid Trading does not provide financial advice, we provide information for your consideration. Please hit the like and subscribe button so we can keep making informative content. Thank you and hope to see you soon.